Oh, nice. Let's go, guys. We're up $60. I wasn't really following my strategy, but um, I have to. I had to use the TGR method. Liquidity grabs, and now it's a New York session, so everything's gonna there's gonna be a lot of fake outs. So hopefully we can just scale these. I'll probably take profit over here, just above this high. We'll probably add this high right here, just in case. Where is that? 1 minute. Okay, I'm just gonna close here. Alright, I just made $100. Yep, like $100. I just closed. Huh? I just made $100. Oh. Alright. Well, thank God I closed that shit, bro. Okay, so now we're just gonna wait for the 11 p.m. orb.
This is day one of asking my history teacher to take me to McDonald's after school. Mr. Abel, can you take me to McDonald's after school? Oh, güey, con el metro en movimiento. Mega Knight is stupid, overpowered, nerves.
Okay, Smelly. Say hi to the stream. Hey. But this Abi is so stupid, bro.
Why?
He is the liquidity. He yeah? Yeah? Huh? Ah. Okay. Yeah, I transfer you now. No, now 700 already. Yeah. 300, right? Okay. 300. Okay. Now? Wait, you want me to charge your laptop? Why? You want to use that? You want to use now? Hello?
Fuck, nigga, it's going down, bro.
I mean, yeah lah, but bro, it's only like a bit only, bro. But you're lucky because there was a liquidity grab, but it's now at what 219, right? 4219.
Yeah.
But don't care about gold now, bro. Your account is too less to have to trade gold, bro. You playing game ah?
Yeah.
Oh my days. You playing with who? Kartik ah?
No lah, playing well.
Oh, you're terrible playing Vel and fucking trading gold. You're such a degen, bro. Blood is degening.
I opened trade before I coming home. Then, fuck, nigga, it went all the way down, bro.
You mean it went all the way up?
Oh yeah, all the way up, yeah.
Okay, wait. Later you just like if you want, we don't have to hop on the call. You can just watch the live stream. Then when you inside, then I will explain. But or if you want, I can just call you here lah, because I literally.
It's going down, bro.
Nigga, it's just for a while only.
Oh shit, nigga.
You need to relax.
When did I close it? I closed it at 4222.
You could have made like about like $50, $60.
I ran straight, then I made $77.
Oh my days, Blood is a degen, bro. Oh my days.
Wow, I was damn salt, nigga. I freaking ran straight, yo.
You follow the guy signal, is it? Or you just randomly sell?
No, I not randomly sell. I follow the guy signal at first.
Because his signals, right? Okay, first of all, he has a very confirm. All these kind of traders, they have very high capital, so they will confirm scalp 1 minute one, bro. Nobody, like a lot of people scalp go at 1 minute, but you can either lose a lot or win a lot. So it's literally high risk but high reward. So if your capital is not a lot, right, and you're not risking, like, okay, just example lah, I have 10,000 USD. If I risk like $1,000 only, and I could make like 3,000, 4,000, that is a lot of money. But if you have like $100 account, you risk like what, $30, $40, bro, your account gonna be wiped out already, bro, after like 3-4 trades. Now gold is not a very good time. Like now, like, it's not a good time. If you were to start trading gold on February, right, earlier this year, right, bro, you would have made like 6 figures, bro, or 5 figures. Bro, when I first started trading, right, I was trading gold, right. You know what was the price or not that day?
4214, nigga. 4214, nigga.
You
hop on Discord.
yeah, come on Discord.
Oh, my H7 been lagging, bruh.
Oh god, wait, fuck my fucking face cam lah. I don't need my webcam anymore lah.
Oh, I should have held it, nigga. My days. 77. Oh, I should have held.
Bro, this is the reason why I don't trade gold, bro.
4211. Yeah, this shit is just too fucking unpredictable, nigga.
No, like, it's actually I can help you earn quite a bit on gold. It's just that you need to be disciplined and just close when I ask you to close. Because even though like what you're seeing now is, even though you're seeing that like the price is now going to where you want it to be, right, it's just a manipulation. Because the reason, okay, if let's say you meant to press buy instead, you will make a lot of money because there was a liquidity grab.
Oh, I would have made 140. Why that close?
Okay, if you want, I can. You just ask me what you need to do, or you can just call me, because I can help you with a lot of stuff. You don't have to follow the guy's signal, because the guy's signal, right, he's not even explaining to you why you should go for sell or buy. He's just like, if he has like a YouTube channel, like, he probably just drawing some random shit. He's not even explaining that much, because he probably has a like a cost that you must pay to learn about this type of shit. But as a friend, right, you can just learn this shit for free, bro.
You just hit the fuck.
But I mean, it's up to you lah. If you want to learn from me, then
Nigga, no. If I left it. Fuck.
bro, you need to relax. You need to relax. I know. But your account, wait, how much do you have before you enter the sell trade? How much do you have?
200.
200. Your account was about to be wiped out.
No lah, we went up to. No, sorry. Including this trade, it was around 250.
So before the trade it was 250. Then now you lost the 80 plus. Now you have 200. Okay, wait. You okay? You let me know when you're done with your game, and then I can just explain to you on the call.
Wait, give me a second. Let me lock in.
Okay, bye. Okay, guys. So I was just trying to explain to my friend, like, try not to like trade gold so much, especially when you have very little capital, because gold is I would say gold is something to be played. It's not something to be played with. It's if you want to like trade it for fun and not look for profit on gold, then you can just go ahead and do it, because nobody trades gold to be profitable. They trade gold is basically mainly luck, because gold is currently in an all-time high now. Like, if let's say on a daily time frame, like if I were to be holding a buy order earlier this year at like February, I would have made a shit ton of money, man. I would have made like $100,000 or even probably more. So like that's why I don't really prefer to trade gold, because it is still on the buy side, but when liquidity grabs, oh, you're cooked, man. It's gonna go down actually on the daily time frame. You can clearly see there is a sell side, buy side liquidity right here. And then price just dumps. He could have actually sold here instead. Daily time frame. This was what, Monday? On a Monday. Let me try and call him real quick. Don't know whether if I can call him while streaming or not. Never really tried. Okay, wait. I'm still live streaming, so yeah. Okay.
Oh
so,
shit!
No, it's okay. You I don't know. Wait, can I still share my screen while I'm live streaming? I can, right?
I think so. I'm not very sure.
Okay, let's try.
Give me a sec. I'm still playing com.
Oh, okay. Okay. Once you're done, you just let me know. Then I'll just teach you some stuff. But right now,
Yeah.
I'm going to be entering a trade soon.
Yeah, it was risky also, so I think it's a good decision. I close.
But actually,
Yeah.
right, I was doing some analysis for you using the gold. On the to just keep it simple, right? You could have just hold the order, because no, sorry. On Monday, right, this week Monday, right, you could have made at least like few $100, because there was a very big liquidity grab. From here is like, if you were to place your order here, right, I think you would have made like $600, $500. I mean, you play your game first.
I play with like around $20 lots, bro.
$20 lots. What do you mean by $20 lots?
Which is 0.05.
Oh, 0.0. So each pip is about like 50 cents, if I'm not wrong. 5 cents. Yeah, each pip is 5 cents. So here is 6,000 pips. So you could have made.
True, like it's going up now.
About 300. it is going up now because it's that liquidity grab, that the part when I told you could have made a lot of money is already over already. But right now, there is actually a liquidity grab over here, and price is actually going down now, which I would have asked you to close lah, but because I want you to understand the things first, so you can do it on yourself. And plus gold, right? Like example, I'm looking at the 1 hour chart. Okay, wait, are you still playing? If you want, you can focus on your game first, then I can explain to you.
Yeah, give me a sec.
Alright. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. Once you're done, you just let me know, then I'll just teach you some stuff. But right now,
Yeah.
I'm going to be entering a trade soon. Oh shit. Okay. Once you're done, you just let me know, then I'll just teach you some stuff. But right now,
Yeah.
I'm going to be entering a trade soon. Man, I should have hold the buy. Where did I stop? I think I was here. Damn, could have made 170, 180. Ooh, that's a lot. But I have quite a bit of a buy side liquidity here. I think I might not trade already. There is another liquidity grab, boom, down 1 hour time frame. There's another buy side liquidity here. So now it's okay, I'll just damn. Should have held that shit. Damn. Could be making $200.
Yeah.
Oh, that's quite a big candle. Oh, what a huge wick, man. Wow, that's amazing, bro. Damn, DJR is onto something.
It's all MT5 here.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Like right now, I already when I hit 1K, right, I withdraw like 200, and then now overall I'm still, my profit is negative 100 lah, but technically I'm still in profit. Bro, the withdrawal process is damn fucking long, bro. I swear to God, I withdrew like my money last Friday, bro, about 2 weeks already, and the money hasn't come in my bank account yet, bro. I even like go to the live support, all that, but they say they already, from their side, already processed, but it's your bank. Then I'm like, bro, fucking hell, I mean, okay, I only withdrew 200 USD, but it's still money, bro. Like, where's my money, bro?
Okay, I just did a shot. I made like $7. Okay, today was not a waste.
You just entered a trade that made $7.
Yeah,
You fucking dickhead.
bro, I keep like accidentally pressing on it, nigga.
You know, you can just close the buttons there, right? It's on the top right.
You know what? At least I didn't lose fucking $150, bro.
Yes, exactly.
I made 170 today.
Okay,
Happy already, bro.
You still
Fuck, instead of
are you still
fucking
playing game? Are you still inside a game right now?
no.
Okay,
Nah,
so
nah,
okay,
nah.
I'll just stream. Okay,
Bro,
so
this whole Val game I was fucking stressed, nigga. Fucking lost.
okay, it's okay. Just relax, just uh
At least now I'm okay. Fuck,
yeah.
bro.
Nigga, now you okay, so okay, wait. Just share my screen. You can see my screen.
I keep revenge trading. I'm not even gonna lie, yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, you seeing what I'm seeing?
Yep.
Okay,
Oh,
wait.
you trade SP, whatever. What was that?
S&P 500 is the TGR stuff one. Okay,
What is
so okay, let me explain to you what you could have done. Okay, so on the daily time frame, this is Go, by the way, this is Go. Okay, let me just show you one more thing also. When I first started trading, right, it was on February 2025 over here. Look at where price is at, bro. It is at 2,700. If I just hold a 0.5 lot, right, 0.05, right, I will be making hundreds of thousands, bro. Okay, but okay, enough of that. Let me just show you what happened. So the reason why it actually you could have, why I said you could have hold, right. Firstly, okay, I basically this strategy is called liquidity sweeps. So what is liquidity sweeps is that there are pending orders, like there are people that are holding their entries above highs and below lows. So when you draw these lines, right, it can be on any time frame. Daily time frame, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute would be the most accurate ones lah. So how to spot the liquidity? Actually, it's very simple. It's super easy, and there is a lot of them. But when there's a lot of liquidity spots, most of them won't be able to work. Only one that will actually work. So let's say for this one, how to define the liquidity is just one candle up, one candle down. Basically, it's just like this. So on the uptrend, it's like this. Wait, it's like this, right? Okay, so there will be buy orders over here. There'll be the buyers here because they want price to keep going up. So what the liquidity sweep will do, right, is they will just wick the candle. Like, okay, let me just show you a very good example over here. Wait, shit. Okay, just here, this one. So it's an up and down candle, and then you just draw the line above that high of that candle. That is the high of the liquidity. This is where the buyers are at. So right, you can clearly see on the daily time frame, price already wick past this, sweep the liquidity of all the buyers because their stop losses are probably above here. This is where the money happens. So this is on the daily time frame, by the way. This small candle, right, is still a lot of money for your 5-minute time frame. So this is where you could have made a lot of money. If you let's say didn't put 0.05 lah, because this is where it happened. Okay, you didn't even have to take the trade here. You didn't have to take the trade here. You can take the trade as soon as it touches it wicks from here, because although there's a lot of candle closures, right, this is the 5-minute time frame, so it's not a valid like rejection. So it's still a very good liquidity sweep. Even on a 15-minute, you can also see that okay, it went up and then just push back down. So you could have literally entered the trade. Like, let's say when the candle closed here already, right, you immediately enter your trade. You enter your trade here. Then after that, you just aim for 1 to 3 or 1 to 4 lah. Okay, you just put your stop loss, a very tight stop loss, cause you have a 0.05. Then just put here, bro. 4,000 pips already, bro. That's like $160, $170. I know, $190. So it's super simple. You can just use this strategy if you want. Because I'm currently using it right now. I can show you what my fucking chart looks like. It's so bloody messy, bro. Like, this is what my chart looks like. So, wait, you can see, right, this one?
Yeah.
Okay, so these red lines, or SSL, is called sell side liquidity. Basically, when price touches here, right, let me show you a good example how I made that $100. So on the 1 hour time frame, okay, I had okay, so remember when I said that there are liquidity below lows and above highs. So there's a down candle here, up candle, just mark the low of that candle, done. And you can clearly see, right, price literally just wick this, right, and then just push all the way up here. So I made like easily $100 from that lah. And then in addition to all these different strategies, I also use fair value gaps. I also use the 30-minute op strategy, which I'm doing right now.
I
Basically,
always use 15 minutes, bro.
3-minute
Yeah, no, 15.
or 15-minute. 15-minute is mainly for confirmation. It's mainly for you like scalper, right? 15-minute is just to identify the current trend. Although you can also just see the 4-hour is the actual trend. But for confirmation is 5 minutes, means like, okay, I know I'm gonna enter the trade now. And when you enter that trade, you go for the 1 minute time frame. And the reason why I don't want to trade now is because you see this very, very big orange block.
Mm-hmm.
That is a daily time frame resistance. So you can clearly see that this orange block is a resistance. So means that when price enters, it will push down. If that's what happens, price enter, push down, enter, push down, and then it's just gonna. Because now I also can't tell where it's gonna go, because these 4 candles, right, are what are called consolidation candles, or basically double tops, double bottoms. If you got heard of that before, lah. See, there's a double bottom here, double top over here. So there's really no way of telling where price will go when it's in this kind of situation. Like, it's just going sideways all the way and all of that. And also, right, let me show you another thing. I actually missed a very, very, very big trade. I could have made like at least $300-400 easily. So basically, okay, I know you probably don't understand, and like I know you confirm don't understand, but I'm just gonna tell you lah. Okay, so there's a thing called if you didn't know, there is Asian session, London session, New York session. You know that?
No.
Okay, so during the Asian session, it is a very, very low volatile period where price only moves sideways. So you see these dotted lines over here. This is from the start, the open of Asian session, and the end of the Asian session. You can clearly see that there's no big candles, there's no like continuation. It's just up, down, and like sideways. So when Asian session closes and the London session takes place, I drew my Asian high over here. Basically, the Asian high is the highest candle during the Asian session lah, which is this. And this is also like a liquidity sweep. You see, price go in, right, and then boom, bro. There's a fucking huge candle, bro. It's such a big candle, bro. If I were to
you
enter
trading?
here, right,
You wait. Show me how just now trade.
my just now trade, like how, like you want to see my HFM?
The one close, yeah.
The one close. Okay, wait. Let me just.
Now my school friends trading also, yeah. But the thing is, right, they all lose so much, bro. They lost like 250 because they like anyhow trade one.
That's why you cannot anyhow trade, bro. It's really quite serious. It's quite a serious thing.
Bro,
That's why.
My one friend like made me laugh like one dog. He see the candle going up a bit, like he buy. Candle going down, he sell. Nigga lost $250 just got that.
What the fuck? Okay, let me show you lah. Okay, so this is my account now. I'm at 300. Yeah, am I? Yeah, I'm at 300. So wait let me just.
You can just press trade, nigga. Oh.
Yeah. So it's something like this lah.
Damn.
Wait let me.
Not bad, sir.
Let me go to my.
Not bad.
Yeah, this one a bit.
You trade with like you put your stop loss, or you just wait for it to.
Nah, bro, I don't. Okay, how to say okay, in my opinion, right, this is not from what I learned, but in my opinion, right, stop losses, there's really no point for stop loss, because if you know how much you're gonna be risking, like if you really believe in your trades, right, okay, of course, on my trading view, you will always see I put a stop loss, but that stop loss I never actually put it in my MT5. I just leave it there. So like example, right, I were to take the trade here, okay, then I put my stop loss just above this high, and then I just put as many as I want lah. Then I'll just let the price run on, because there's no point. I'm also looking at my MT5 while I'm looking at my trading view, so I can just close anytime also can. Oh fuck, wait oh my days. This one I don't know why. I had one huge loss few days ago. I don't know where lah. Okay, but doesn't matter. I'm still a little bit down, but overall I made about $600. So There's
It's
it's a good
it's very decent, bro.
consistency. Like if you
Wait,
want, right,
how much?
like,
How much you normally like? I mean, how much do you start? You deposit?
I
How much you?
deposit, okay, because HFM, right, if you didn't know, right, they have a bonus account. Oh yeah, using HFM, why you never use the bonus account? Bro, they will double
What
your
the
deposit, bro.
fuck is that? What?
Yeah, I deposit 300, then I get 600. But
Nigga,
wait, but that three
Mhm.
additional bonus, right, the 300, right, additional lah, the double
Mhm.
amount, you cannot withdraw it.
Mhm.
You cannot, like, okay, it's just you cannot withdraw it, but they will basically give you that double deposit to use it as equity. Okay, you can use it to get bigger lot size. That's why I can fucking
Yeah,
go lot size 10. I even had a lot size 20, bro. It was
You got trade go before, or not?
got last time, bro. You look at how much I lost from training lot size 20, bro. But in S&P 500,
Oh my
S&P 500, S&P 500 and Nasdaq, right? They
Yeah.
need bigger lot size because your 0.5, right, is
Yeah,
like my
it's very slowly, like slow moving, like
no, it's not slow
market.
moving. It's not slow moving. It's the value. Like gold, right? The value is very high. So
Yeah.
the even you put a 0.01 lot size, right, is about, if I'm not wrong, is 1 cent per pip. But my
0.01 is about 5 USD. 5 or 4 USD.
no. It's you cannot count by that one because you're not putting a fixed amount. You're just putting an order whether
Yeah,
you
that's
just
true.
want it to go down or up. So your lot size has no connection to how much it's worth. But let's say, right, like, okay, like I use lot size of 10, okay, and then I lost $132. So in terms of the pips, right, I lost 1,320 pips lah. But if your goal, right, lost 1,320 pips with a 0.05 lot size, right, you'll be losing more than me, bro.
Yeah.
Wait, what do you send me? Oh, bro.
Books, man.
But it's okay. If you want, right, I will be happy to like show you the process of everything and just like I can be like your mentor like that. Because I have lost a lot of money in this game already. Okay. I have lost a lot of money. And from that I am finally now profitable. And I can
Mm-hmm.
happily like just do what I love, which is trading. I like the sport of trading. That's why I do it. And I can teach you many strategies that you want to know, or you can just ask me anything and I can just tell you because I learned a lot of stuff. If you want, you can also just watch YouTube videos from TJR. That guy is a fucking legend, bro. I'm surprised you don't even know who TJR is.
I have no clue. Is it? Well, I don't follow traders. It's just I see. Okay, when I started, right, my beginning periods, right,
Mm-hmm.
you know exactly what I done, and I'm not ashamed to say this.
Yeah.
I went to Telegram channels, right. I sign up for 10. I see each and every one of them. I see who all buy. If every single one buys, I will buy.
Yeah, okay. That's a
Every
kind
single
of
one sell.
okay, because right, these kind of scalpers, right, their strategy, right, is very, very similar one. So, like I said, even if all 10 of them have the same strategy, they all 10 of them press the same button, they won't be strong enough to fight against the market. Because, right, you don't understand how many traders are there, and that is excluding retail traders, by the way, like us. There are banks also that one of their orders can fill out at least a few million of other people orders, like our orders. Like the money that I made, right, is like nothing. It's like as if like my money is invisible. So we cannot fight the banks one. That's why you have to follow the banks. You have to follow like the winning team. You can't go against the market one. I'm sure you will hear that before. So just because you follow, there's like 10 people putting the same button, right? Huh? Talking to Abi. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, text my friend. Give me a sec.
Yeah, I'm on Discord call with him. No, I off my camera already. Your friend, like, what do they even do?
But one of them, he really analysis one, but he keeps fucking losing. His
Then
luck really damn shit.
it's probably not luck. I think it's just
No, I mean, he doesn't use the supply resistance like you are, but like,
nah, bro. I don't do supply resistance one, bro. My one is way more smarter than that shit. Support and resistance, right, is very very easy to use. Super easy. It can be effective. Like example, now the daily time frame, right, you can already see that the resistance, right, is already like showing signs of rejection, which I can clearly make money out of. But on Go, right, it's really not very easy to do that. That's why, right, if your friend uses, because he probably has the right strategy, but he just doesn't have the right currency. Trading Go using a strategy, right, is just like me playing blackjack and knowing how to count cards. I know how to count cards on blackjack, but you're not gonna win every single time.
mm.
And okay, I mean, is there anything else you want me to like teach you or anything at all? Like you can really ask me anything.
So like, when do you enter a trade?
Okay, when to enter a trade is one thing, but firstly you need to plan which time you should plan. Okay, so like I said, there's 3 different sessions: Asian, London session, New York session. London session is where the move will start to okay, London session basically shows continuation, and New York session will show breakout sessions. Like over here, right, this, you see this very very big long candle? Yeah, this is the overlap of the London and New York session, so it's in between, which is the sweet point of the very big moves. And then, right, once New York session started, which is at 10:30, you can clearly see that price is already pushing back up. So you see that those sellers, right, if let's say I'm like somewhat like you, that very greedy one, you just keep holding, okay, I could have made 300. Okay, let's say I have a lot size of 10, so I will earn 3,700 pips, which is $370. But now, right, because I want to keep holding, I keep thinking I can keep going, right, and now I'm only winning like 200, which in a sense you should just close because you're already in profits. Okay, next thing is which time frame, which like example like Asian session, London session, and New York session, right, which one would be the best? Is either London or New York. Never ever trade during the Asian session unless you are intraday trader, which is basically like swing trading, like you're just holding very very long orders. But if you're like me, you have to trade either the you have to either trade London or New York, but I will highly recommend New York session, which currently right now in Singapore timing, right, it will start from 10:30 p.m. But the overlap, right, between the London and the New York, like you see these big moves right here, the overlap is 10 p.m. So
what's the difference, bro?
between what, the London and New York session?
Yeah.
So New York session, right? Okay, let me just show you an example. Let's say on the 5-minute time frame. Okay, New York session started at 5 p.m. today, Singapore timing. You can clearly see that during the Asian session, it is just going sideways. London session is a continuation, so it's just continuing that same like sideways movement, just higher highs, lower lows, higher highs, lower lows. There's no like trend like this. There's no, wait, let me just show you. There's nothing, example, right, there's nothing like this. Oh shit, there's nothing like this now, right? It's literally just like, it's just going like this. It's something like that. That is just consolidation. And what happens, right, inside all these sideways movement, right, is liquidity grab. Okay, I'll get to you. I will teach you my master plan in that later. But right now, I'm gonna answer your question. So, right, you can clearly see that the London session start, which is a continuation of what happened before. So you can clearly see that price is going sideways. London session start already long time ago, still going sideways until 8 p.m. Okay, then it decided to okay, this is where the fun part comes. Okay, remember when I said about liquidity, right? Like I keep saying liquidity, right? Above all these highs, these highs are buyers. Okay, they want price to go up. Okay, and below here there is a lot of sellers. They want price to go down. Okay, and right, from this Asian high, which is this high, like this in between this is the whole entire Asian session. The highest point of the Asian session, that is our liquidity grab. Basically, what that means, right? Now, what price wants to do is to stop all the sellers because they want more buyers to go inside, right? So that when the price gets expensive, then they will sell it, You want to sell something when it's expensive, not cheap.
Yep,
So
yep.
when price goes up only, right? Okay, it stops all the sellers. Like example, if I'm a seller, right? Okay, I keep thinking, oh, this is like kind of like a downtrend. It's like, going low, then high, low, high, low, high, low. Okay, I put a sell at the top here. Okay, nice. I'm making some money. Make money already, right? Okay, I put my stop loss above the high. Okay, like above this high or even above this high. Okay, like this one. You see this? There's a high right there, Okay, so I put a stop loss here. So it's like close to that. Then I put my take profit around here. You immediately get stopped out. Asian high liquidity gets swept and then push price all the way down here. And then, right, this sharp movement right here, right, was from another liquidity grab that was around here. It's just that I already deleted that line already because it's already used up. So there's no point of putting there anymore.
How do you predict that freaking fast uptrend, bro?
Okay, because at first, right, I was already thinking of placing a trade. I was very confident of placing a trade, but because I wasn't very confident so I decided not to trade because this was my first time actually using the Asian high as a liquidity. So I thought, okay, maybe today it won't work, but I guess it did and I missed out on a very, 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 very big trade.
I see.
So basically right now, right, I also want to trade. I really want to trade right now, but there's really no point of me trading right now because there's no opportunities. Like right now it's already 11:30. It's already 1 hour since the start of the New York session. Nothing big has happened yet. So
I want to see the goal.
The goal?
I want to see
You want to see
market,
gold?
yeah. See how is he doing?
It's at 4222 lah.
422,
It's back
okay.
to where you were at lah.
Yeah.
But you could have gained like at least almost like 100 plus lah. But
I would have been at 275 if I did not close it. But it's okay It's safe to close it.
like,
I wouldn't even know if it would go
because
all the way back.
actually now right, it's creating a double top. Okay, on the 5-minute time frame, it's at the double top. So right, price it did shoot down, but
Bro,
because it's
look at that shit, nigga. 2 p.m. to 9 p.m. Legit, no difference.
Yeah, exactly. That's why because
Easy shit, nigga.
the Asian session starts from 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. So today is a Wednesday, right? 5 a.m. is like from here all the way until here. London session start. Continue the trend. Oh, it's a continuation. Then at the overlap here, boom, 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 boom. I also can show you a few setups right here, right, that you could have taken for a buy lah. Okay, example for a buy. So let's say
it's going up. Oh shit.
Yeah, it's going up quite. This is a 1 hour
Bro,
time frame.
it's
So
really damn unpredictable, bro. It's like really fucking
okay,
unpredictable.
if let's say you want to look for buy orders, right, you have to find the. Okay, this is a good one right here. This is a sell side liquidity. Basically, there's a lot of sellers below here. Okay, a lot of sellers in this point lah. This point when I drew the line. Okay, then after that, basically right, nothing has happened yet. There's a lot of sellers here. Okay, then they just go up. Doesn't matter. Okay, those high capital they can hold a lot. Then right, when price go down here, they actually get their orders filled. Means the sellers they actually they get to have where they want price to go to. But right, this liquidity grab immediately is a trap. Okay, the banks they know this. They say, oh, okay, everybody is already selling, so we have a lot of power to buy at a very, very cheap price, and then boom.
I would have gotten 155 today, bro. If I did not close.
I mean, yeah, maybe
155 profit 1 day. Fuck. Fuck, nigga.
I can show you another one also. Actually, this one is actually an even more bigger move. You see this one over here? Yeah, let me just. See, you could have made a lot of money here. this is a buy side liquidity. Means right, the buyers are inside, they want price to go up. Okay, from here. They have the buyers here. Then after that, right, once price enters here, actually they actually like, you know, like those buyers, right, that they are very down, right, they'll be like, finally I'm break even. Then after that, a very long week, and then it's just a long way down. From here, right, you can also just see that, oh, okay, it's also a trend lah. You can clearly see that other strategies, right, okay, we have lower shit. Yeah, we have lower lows. Fucking hell. Sorry. Okay, wait. You see, you have lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and then this is the liquidity sweep. You see that let's say, right, price breakthrough here, right? Okay. Where did I draw that? Okay, let's say, right, candle closure above, right? Let's say all these buyers, right, they'll be like, oh, okay, there's a market shift because the candle closed above this high. Hell no, bro. Immediately, if you place a buy here, right, oh shit, bro, you're gone, You're fucking gone, bro. If your friend, right, did this, right, oh, account gone already. Account is so gone because he was the liquidity. Because mainly, right, in the trend, right, what you see on the chart is this. You will see like this lah. Let's say on the downtrend, it's like this. It's like this. Okay, or sometimes even it can be like this.
Yep.
Okay. There'll be a lot of different kind of downtrends on, but you don't really need to worry about that. You can clearly see, right?
What is a like type of trade that, you know, like you're 100% gonna like your TP?
Okay. There is really no strategy or trade that can.
Yeah, I know lah. Like,
but what
99%.
Okay, I wouldn't even say 99%, but because, right, when you enter in a trading game, right, if you have a lot of money, like the YouTuber I mentioned, right, he makes like at least 5 figures every single trade. So he always go to 1-to-1 risk to reward. So he risk 50,000 to earn 50,000, which is still like profitable in a sense, because his win rate, right, is like 60, 70, 80%. So overall he's still making money. But when you have a 1-to-2 or 1-to-3 risk to reward, right, means let's say you risk like $30 to make $100. Even though if you lose 2 times in a row, you win 1 time, you can be in profits already. So in the trading game, especially when you are a growing trader, try not to focus so much on how much you can make, and focus on like when to know when to stop, when to know to stop, basically. Like, okay, even though you're like super high in profits, you want to aim higher, which, by the way, right, it happened to me 2 to 3 times last week already. Last Thursday and Friday, right, both days I was only 1 trade per day lah. Okay, it was just 1 trade on those 2 days. So Thursday 1 trade, Friday 1 trade. On Thursday I was up 180 USD. Then I was thinking, right, I think my setup can go up to 300, and then I fucking lost. I put my stop loss to break even, and then I only won like $12, and I could have won $180. You would feel okay. The feeling, right, of losing money, right, is not as bad as knowing that you have made more, that you really hit that point.
Yeah, true.
Your greediness, right, then the market fuck you up.
Yeah.
So you have to be very, very careful when you trade gold, because when you're in profits, right. Okay, if you never see the guy on Wall Street, right, he say, if you're in profits, just take the profit and then just go for the next day. Don't try to long trade it. Don't try to win the market, because even if you're a very, very rich trader, right, your orders, right, mean nothing in the market run. You're just a part of a liquidity, which is basically what I've shown you already.
Yeah.
So that's why I always tell my friends, right, if you want to learn trading, right, of course, I'm not trying to say that I'm a very good trader, but I definitely have the experience to at least give you a tip to become profitable, because I know a lot of stuff. And this is the first time, right, that after two weeks, right, I am still profitable, bro. Every time there was one time, right, I during my intern, I deposit 500. Fucking hell, everything gone.
Shit, man, that's so. Oh my
Bro,
god, man,
500
that's
USD is a lot of money, bro. It was my intern money some more. So you can
heart pains.
okay, like example, I have one strategy here that combine also. This is called the op strategy. In the 30-minute, I mark out the 30-minute candle when New York session start. What I want price to do is to exit, is to basically do this. I show you. From here, right, it doesn't matter where lah, okay? Is go here, then here, retest, and then push up, which that's what price is doing right now. You can clearly
Yeah.
see that, right? Or if let's say if it's on the downside, then just on the downside lor, like that, retest, then go down lor. But it won't most likely won't do that because the liquidity already grabbed, and it's probably gonna continue doing that.
I see. So okay,
So actually,
your
I could have
predictions in
entered
the market right now.
my predictions of the market, right, is you see let's see if
Buy
I'm
or sell.
correct lah. Let's see if I'm correct. There's a lot of things that can happen here. Right now, right, there's an order block. There's an order block here. There's a resistance here also. There is a
Yeah.
resistance inside the resistance, so you know that it's gonna be good. But if price breaks through, right, it's okay because I have a lot of buy side liquidity here. Just now, when you know when I show you could have made a lot when it's pushing down, right? What I think price will do is because now it's already we're quite far inside the New York session, so it's not gonna be that active anymore. So maybe it's just gonna be like this, like this, like this, then suddenly like that already, right? Sweep liquidity and then push price right all the way down back again. Probably it's gonna be like that lah. But like I said, it's not always gonna work out like that way. It's not gonna follow exactly how I draw, but it's definitely gonna reach here one point. Like look at this. Okay, see I could have made another $100 if I let's say entered my trade over here when it retests. I could have made I will probably be at $170 profit right now. 170
Damn.
I could have just easily closed and just get the fuck out. And
Yeah,
then, right,
bruh.
also, there is a very strong fair value gap, if you know what that is. It's a very,
I have
very big
no
gap.
clue what that is.
It's a very, very big gap. But basically, what a fair value gap does is when you can also use this as just one strategy every single day. I can even show you some examples. So what a fair value gap is, right? It's just it is a 3 candle pattern. So you need to see 3 candles first.
Oh wait. 3 candles. If it goes all 3 up, then it's a sell.
Okay, I don't really know what you mean by that, but I'll just show you lah. Okay, so for fair value gaps, right, inside the smaller time frames, it will work, but it won't continue all the way one. Like example, there's one here. One. Basically, you can see that there's 3 candles. Once when the third candle closes, which is this candle right here. Shit! Oh my god, this candle. Okay, you need to see the wick of the third candle and the first candle, and then from there, you draw. You see this? You see that this one black wick here? Yeah, that is called a wick lah. Okay, so you just draw that. Draw the fucking hell. My mouse is. Just draw that from here to the wick of that grey third candle. You can clearly see that price tap into it and then push back down again. This is a 15-minute time frame, so it's very, very short term one. So you have to close when you make the profit. See, that's one example already. Okay, another one. And also how to define a good fair value gap, right? Is you must see the third candle lah. So let's say the third candle.
Third candle, like, is it like the what same
candle,
uptrend or
no? If the third candle, right, let's say right now, right, this fair value gap, right, is a sell fair value gap. So I want price to go down like just now this one like that. Okay.
Yeah.
So right, when you see the third candle, you must see how the candle is like. Whether if it's a candle with long wicks, basically the stick things, and short bodies. Long wicks and short bodies, right? If let's say the wick from here, right, is very, very big, and then the candle close over here. Okay, that's your third candle. That will be a more valid trade because, right, it's showing that price is rejecting. All these wicks, right, is all price rejections one. So they are rejecting price. Okay, then you want to push back up here, but because there's a very strong sell order, they push price back down all the way down here. Okay, it's not that big of a drop lah, but you get what I mean. If you really feel damn fucking clueless, right, you can just tell me.
Yeah, I'm damn clueless, bro.
Because it's really not easy lah. For most people.
Okay, so since you started trading until now, right? What is your profit or
I
lost?
have lost. I have lost like at least $1,000
What?
from the start lah. You're saying from the start, but from this account, I am still up a bit.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
okay,
so
okay.
it's something you need
Oh,
to go over
honestly,
time.
right, my profit percentage is fucking OP.
Yeah, it is
Cause
because
what I was left with $5. And I said to myself, I ain't gonna put anything in anymore.
okay.
I somehow up 190 until now. Right now it's 190.
Damn. Okay,
So I think
now
a
you have
profit.
190, right? Okay, we have kind of like the same similar value. I have 300, you have 190. Okay, it's honestly the same lah, just 100 plus different.
Yeah.
If you really want to make something right, you can choose to continue go and I can help you, or you can trade what I'm trading right now, which is either Nasdaq or S&P 500.
Well, I don't understand Nasdaq and all that shit.
No, you don't.
Cause
You don't have to understand anything. Every single currency is the same as everything. Like gold is the same as Euro USD. Gold is the same as S&P. It's exactly the same.
but
It's just
I'm like used to like that go like uptrend, like
no.
legit.
Okay. What I'm going to tell you right is going to is the hard truth. Every single currency up here, okay, they react the exact same. Okay, they react the exact same. Oh, and by the way, right, there was actually some news, so that's why the price. Yeah, you need to see news also. Okay, but okay, every single currency here is all exactly the same. Firstly, right, because gold has been in the market for very very long, S&P 500 was quite a new thing. So gold is something right quite uh quite popular. So right, you cannot trade something that has too much popularity because
Mm.
the market knows everybody loves to trade gold. So we're going to liquidate them as much as we can. But in S&P 500, Nasdaq, right, they're quite consistent. All of Nasdaq and okay, by the way, okay, like you see by the way, right, S&P 500 and Nasdaq, right, they're actually exactly the same. Like right now, the chart right is exactly the same. You see is at like 6848, right? You see Nasdaq. It's like okay, the value is not the same, but the chart is exactly the same.
Oh
You
yeah,
can see
why
the big move. Yeah,
Same
because
thing,
they're almost the same. That's why
Oh.
it's like very similar. That's why the guy I told you about, he trades Nasdaq and S&P.
I see.
So
You got any mentor?
I don't have a mentor. I never had a mentor.
Damn,
I
you
got
gotta do
money.
copy trading.
I did lah, and I still lost money lah. That's why I don't believe in copying people. That's why I want to actually teach you. Okay, I always want to teach my friends one, but they just believe in fast money and like. I used to have that mentality like, okay, I must do this long term. But then right, every fucking time right, I just revenge trade, hoping that I will be a fucking millionaire somehow. But honestly, right, from all the losses every time I make, right, like I literally lost like 270, right, I just take it. I don't give a shit because I know I can come back. Like if I want, I can actually show you. Like I can show you what. Oh fuck! I got locked out on my days. Wait, let me show you. I don't know if I can show you the. I think I can, but it's not as nice as the app, the mobile app. The mobile app more nicer to see. Trades. Okay, there's one that okay, I'll show you the start. Let me. Yeah, this last month, right? Okay, wait. Let me see the. What the fuck is all this?
All I'm trying to do right now is like either break even or profit. If I lose, right, I will get damn tilted.
Okay, don't worry. Okay, so this is when I started. Okay, then I just lost like $11. Then I lost like $40. Then after I gained $80, I lost 80. So
What the hell?
I'm down again. But then I won 260. Okay, 260 already, right? Okay, lost 160. This 120 plus 140. Then suddenly boom, 400.
Damn.
Then after that lose 100, and then just slowly just keep losing lah. But all these small losses, right? Although they do add up, at least I'm not losing more. You need to tell yourself, right? You cannot beat yourself up after a trade one. Never ever do that, because right, you're not fully in control of this kind of thing. So you must tell yourself, right, that okay, if I win, I know that I did the right thing. If I lose, okay, just you must try to see where I missed out. Like example, I missed out on this huge trade. I could have fucking made a shit ton of money, bro, but I missed it. So I was like, okay, instead of just revenge trading, right, just because it's going down, right, of course, some people will think, right, buy the dip, which is, in some sense, is true lah. Like you when you buy the dip, it does retrace because there must be retracement. So when price, like example, right, all the sellers push down already, right, they don't have enough selling power already. So they want people to buy back again, right? When it's expensive, then they sell back again. So that is how the market really moves.
I see.
They move on the like the retail traders moves, and then right, they go to the opposite direction. So you need to avoid that. Avoid entering a trade when before the real move happen. Yeah. So like example right now, I show you, right, this is one of my strategy also. I apply a lot of strategies into one big strategy so that at least, right, like okay, but for resistance, right, like this orange block, when I said it was a very, very big resistance, right, I don't really think too much about that because it's just a resistance. When it touches it, it will just bounce off. So I just want to look for sales. You see all these red lines out here, these are all like a support area. It's all liquidity grabs that will hopefully eventually happen lah. But don't know if it will happen or not. So I think I can show you another one here also. There is a yeah, like this one or this one. This 30-minute time frame, there's a sell side liquidity here. So shit, this is where I want price to tap in and then go up. You see? It tapped into this red line, go up.
I see.
Like I said, it's not 100% always going to be working like that because it really depends on the day itself. And I know you also want to make it. Okay, I also want to make it. But if you're going to start small, okay, like if let's say, right, you and me, right, we both started at 10,000 USD each, bro, we can be making $1,000 every single day.
Right. Bro, it's all about the margin.
Yeah, it's not really about margin, it's about your capital. You want to make more, you gotta start with more. But if you want to, like, okay, don't you think it's more like don't you think that it will feel better, right, if you can somehow grow $100 account to like a $10,000 account instead of just depositing $1,000 and then growing it to like 4,000-5,000? Like $100 to 10,000 is a lot, and maybe it has to be in a period within like 6-7 months or 8 months. Okay, even though it's for like a longer period, at least you need to find the love in trading, then you can actually be profitable. Because right, if you're just trading because you want to be profitable, okay, which is obviously everybody's goal, you can't really have that mindset. You need to have the mindset of being open-minded. So if you lose money, just take the loss. If you can find another opportunity, just take it again. Okay, don't. From what I learned, right, if you're gonna take 3 trades, right, in one day, if you lose all 3 trades, just fucking close the fucking MetaTrader and just wait for tomorrow. Because right, a lot of people like I think, right, from what how I know you lah, I feel like you don't understand how each day works in the market. There is different each day will always be different one, because that's why there's a daily time frame. Even though daily time frame is a very, very, very like high time frame, because you won't be trading in the day time frame. It's always 1 minute or 5 minutes. So big moves in 1 or 5 minutes, right, is like the most tiniest small cock little move in a daily time frame. So you have to see each daily time frame. Like example, right, I have another strategy here. So it's just a previous day high and low. So what that means, right, is, wait, let me show you. Wait, let me show you that. I mean, I know I explained it a lot lah, but this will definitely help you one. Don't worry, I know what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Okay, let me just. Okay, so basically, right, the daily high and low. Okay, I think I can remove this alert. No point already. Okay, so what this is another strategy you can also learn from me is, oh fucking hell, let me. Okay, so right, the daily time frame is basically you mark out the high and the low of the previous day candle. So today, right,
Mm.
you mark out yesterday's candle, which is Tuesday,
Mm-hmm.
the high and low. Shit, wait, let me. Oh, fuck. Okay, wait, let me just. Oh, no. Okay, so this previous day high and low strategy, right, is not it's not a very like how to say it's not something like how I was talking to, like I was teaching you the other strategies, because right, your previous day high and low is like a support zone, so you want price to like go there, right? So you see this black line right here, yeah. So if let's say right, price were to just drop down here, right, okay, drop down below this black line, we test this previous day low, and then once it push down a bit, right, it's a continuation all the way already, because it broke the previous day low. But there must be candle closures lah below the black line. If let's say right, price could just go here, retest this level, right, then somehow like it starts to stop, the selling pressure stops, then it retests again, right, push price back up already, all the way. Okay, then let's say for the buying side, right, for the buying side, let's say from here lah, okay, this point, like from here, okay, breakthrough already, retest, can go all the way up, or breakthrough, then retest, then suddenly just fuck you up here.
Hey, where's the price right now?
It's at wait.
Oh, you're using trading view,
Yeah, I using trading view to draw my charts. So now for
Okay.
S&P, you want to see gold, is it?
851, is it?
Huh? Yeah, 651.
I want you to try to predict one of the markets.
Well, I can predict
Buy or
anything.
sell. Try or sell.
Okay, let's just say gold lah. You like gold, right? I just try lah. Okay, so
Yeah.
are there? Like, there's one right here. I literally have one right here. This up down, okay. Candle close, push price down. This is the buy side liquidity. This is where the buyers are at, right? Then this is where the sellers are at. They get stopped out. Then after that, they just push price where they want it to be. That is basically you. You put yourself too close here already. What you put it? What do you put it at?
You know? I put 4207, I think.
4207. You put a sell, right? 4207.
Yeah, I put it as sell.
42.
Went all the way up and then went down.
What time was it?
I think around was it? Can't really remember. Was it
like 9
7 a.m.?
7,
Like your
7
your time? Or was I don't remember. I like legit don't remember.
Okay, let's just say 7 like I don't know, like here lah. Okay.
Maybe it was like
here.
Yeah,
like
yeah.
Somewhere you're already in profit. Okay.
Yeah.
In profit. Okay.
Yeah, wait, I remember.
You can see the
probably
time.
your
You can see the time in your MetaTrader.
that one probably like 7:30 or 9
PM or AM?
for your that one
No, this is Singapore time. No, this is Singapore time.
Oh, then probably I think like 9 or 10. 9 or 10. Yeah.
Yeah, so it's like around here lah. Okay, so you already started make money. Okay. You could have made like fucking a lot of money, like 150. I think that's what you said.
Yeah,
100 something. Then you get stopped out, and then right, price.
If I bought, yeah, bro. If I bought.
And then,
but the thing is also, right, you can go the other way.
If you want me to predict something like right now, right, I can try. So let's say
you try.
Okay.
Try predict a short or whatever long.
Okay, let me just work my magic, yeah.
Yes.
Are there? This is also one. The previous day high thing. I told you before. See, price rejected. You see, like remember I show you, right, that it can either go like that, then retest, then go up, right?
Yeah.
Or it retest and then like just go down. That's what I did lah. Because the previous day high, right, it acts as a resistance level, so you can sell from there. Then let's say I want to predict something right now. Okay, let's go 4-hour time frame. Let's try to spot some liquidity, but because now, right, it's already quite late already, so there won't be a lot of big moves already. Although the New York session is until 5 a.m., the volatility, right, like the very fast movements, right, will usually stop at like 2-3 a.m. one. So I can still try to do something. Like I mean I can spot one like right now. Let me see. Like I already have one right here, which is the buy side liquidity. Then you just push down, immediately push down all the way down here. Okay, in the 4 hour time frame, this is a lot of money still. Okay, then another one. Let's say okay, I have one over here also. This is I can do a sell side liquidity. So what I want price to do, okay, maybe tomorrow lah. Most likely you have to see tomorrow already. Okay, you can just remember this. I put it at 4194. Price will just step here, long wick lah. There will be a very long wick one. Then push price up again. Trust, it's gonna be like that. Yeah, that's what I can predict for now lah. That should be all already. Yeah, that's all. Nothing else really. Yeah. So you want me to predict now? I can lah, but you still need to wait for at least a few hours for the thing to actually make a move. So there's no point of me like trying to tell you now also. Like example, okay, let's go to Euro USD. I can do that also. Okay, first thing, this my full entire trading strategy. I include every single thing. Okay, previous day high, previous day low. You can already see that. See, price already broke through, immediately shoot all the way up. Okay, let's see on the hourly time frame. Okay, say okay, maybe 15 minute lah, 15 minute. Okay, you can see that already price broke through, just continue all the way up. This was the previous day high. So now this resistance that is supposed to make price go down is now a support. So this is where price will go down here and try to retest to go back up again. Like right now on the 4 hour time frame, I'm gonna show you the same strategy again. Let me see if there's one. 4 hour time frame. Yeah, there's one right here. See, this is the sell side liquidity. So we stop all the buyers. Okay, stop all the buyers. Then you can see right, long wicks. There is no candle closure below. No candle has closed below here. There is still gaps. Long wicks, long rejections. This is a very good sign already. Straight away, boom, all the way up here. See, it's very easy for me to spot. This is not like bullshit or whatever, bro. I'm actually like randomly just choosing. Okay, example AUD USD. I don't know what I have this year. Wait, this was like from damn long ago. Okay, I'll just do some very fast prediction. Okay, where is it? Let's see if there's one. I mean, there's one like here lah. So it's a down up candle. Put it here. Sell side liquidity. See, wick here, push up. There's still a lot more. Let's say, yeah, this one down up again. Sell side liquidity. See that little wick right there. Wick, push up. And there's another one. There's another one. See, down up candle. Okay. Sell side liquidity. See that wick, push up. Bro, is that easy? Bro? Is that easy?
Oh my days.
That's why, like, for me, right, I don't want you to fall behind, bro. Like, we've been friends for very long already, so I know you want to make money also. And I don't know about Karthik, that guy is a fucking unemployed fuck.
He say you make him lose like 75.
Bro, that day like I was still like beginner, bro.
Bro, 75 lost. I lost 77, bro. And I'm still up $2.
You lost 77. I lost like $300, you fucking idiot.
Crazy shit.
Yeah, like you can see right now this is my S&P lah. Now even in the 4 hour time frame, right, price is just moving sideways. It's not gonna go anywhere. So it's very, very risky to trade. But it's still enough for me to make something out of it. So yeah lah, that's really it for the strategies. Because like right now what I'm telling you, right, it's a bit jumbled up lah, because I'm putting a lot of different things. But one day, because I got exam tomorrow, so maybe after my exam and my CM, you got go for the checkup, right? The NS checkup.
Bro, I went for that like damn long ago, bro.
Oh, for you?
Yeah, I went there like last year.
Huh, last year? Why? I thought it's 18
Because
years old.
my diploma different from yours. Right? I know.
Oh, yeah. Okay,
Yeah, man.
okay, yeah, got it. Okay, so
Well,
um,
you know when am I enlisting? You know,
when?
February, bro.
Huh? Next year
Yeah,
February.
yeah.
For
I
what?
finished my diploma by then.
Oh yeah. Okay,
But
mm,
I'm not gonna do degree in this stupid PSB shit, right? That shit is
yeah,
so like unrecognized. I'm a sign on for NS, bro.
yeah. Just sign off on this lah.
If I get the what's it called? Cyber security role.
Yeah, because I think if you good at cybersecurity, right, for NS, I think they'll put you in like those like
Yeah, they'll put what's it called?
anti hackers, anti hackers.
DIS, yeah. Nigga, that's a cyber security like whole ass MINDEF team, bro.
Yeah, I know. Confirm
Yeah.
lah. Okay, so but other than that, maybe after tomorrow, right, I'll probably be back home by like five like 5 p.m. So from then, right, I can give you a proper introduction, okay, to let you know everything. Okay, then you can just choose which strategy you think will suit you better.
Mm.
Yeah. But don't worry lah. When you choose one strategy or even if
I
you
just
choose
want to be profitable, bro. That's all I want to be, bro.
okay, you want to be profitable, right? It's really a very, very big thing because you need to be consistent. You need to be disciplined. Okay, you need to like prepare yourself for the market. Although it's just looking at a screen, right? You have to take it as if it's like your full-time job because it will be your full-time job.
Yeah, bro.
So, like, you
Bro,
can't always.
oh my! If I didn't make that small fuck up, right? In the past 2 days, I've profited around 270.
Yeah,
Yeah, 2 days.
that is the game.
That is like to me, right? That's quite good already, bro.
yeah, exactly. So, and that is
Fuck, if
also
I
one
did,
problem that you need to change that will help
if
you
I
be
didn't close it, bro, that's just all.
okay. Another thing, right, if you want to be profitable, right, try not to
Yeah.
like tell yourself how much you could have made instead of and instead of that, think what you can do to make it back again. Okay, don't think like example, I missed a very big trade. I could have made like $300-$400, but instead I use that analysis, right. I use that big move, right, just now, that very big drop, right, to
Yeah.
just to help myself win back my money again. I
Yeah.
entered from here, and I'm like you at that. Sometimes when I'm in profit, right, I enter from here, by the way, and I close like over here. I close over here.
I know. It's a short, right? It's called a short, right?
No. The green is the profit. I close at like
Oh.
$100. I could have made
Oh,
$300.
100. Wait, what?
Yeah,
Wait, so what? What's your lot size?
my lot size is 10.
Oh, what the fuck?
Yeah, but it's
No
like,
wonder you made 100 lah, nigga.
it's almost like
How
a
many
go.
pips?
It's
How many
almost like bro. Your like example. Okay, you show me. Okay, example. Okay, you see this $400 that I made. You know how
Yeah.
much pips did I make or not? Pips.
How many pips? How many pips?
I made, okay. It was 4,030 pips. 4,000.
Wait, what?
4,000 pips.
Wait, what was the price you open and close?
Shit. I don't know if I can show you or not. That's the thing, because here like very funny one.
HFM in mobile is like you can see everything
I
on.
can show you on my mobile. Yeah.
Hey, give me like 10 minutes. I'm gonna be back.
Okay. Oh yeah. I'm gonna study soon. Okay. Yeah. How's the studying?
Not good.
Hmm? What? Hello?
Yeah, if you guys need it. Yeah, if you guys need anything on or off the field, I am here for you guys. Jaden, I want to see you in my office later. I got some things I need to talk to you about. Game plan for today, we're going to get Jaden the ball. He's been doing really good in practice, and we're going to get you the ball today. Really? Follow them in the end zone, man. Really great work. Really great. I can see all the work you've been putting in. It's paying off. Put in more work.
Hmm?
Gosh, yes, sir. Where did you learn that? I don't think I've ever seen
Yo.
Hello, hello.
Yo.
Okay. No, I got school tomorrow. I told you I got exam.
Oh shit, nigga.
Yeah, no, it's okay. If you got time, I will always have time one. Don't need to worry.
Uh,
Okay, so
I
right.
sleep. I sleep 7 a.m. only.
Huh? Fucking hell,
Yeah.
are you being serious? Okay, so this is what
Oh god.
okay, I'm in the hourly time frame. Okay, this is how much I made. Like you just now say the pips, right? This is like about how
Yeah.
much? 4,000 pips. Okay. So this is the hourly time frame. In the 5 minute time frame, it looks like this. It's damn fucking crazy. It looks like this, man. Look how big it was. Okay, this is not exactly where I entered, but this is exactly how much I made about here. So you can clearly see that $400 easily made like this. And for yours, right?
What's the highest you've won in one trade and lost in one trade?
Lost 300, won $400 in this account.
What? Not bad.
Then let me show you. Okay, example for gold lah. Okay, let me show you how the difference right between right because gold right the value is more higher. So like example right, $400 right. Is
Wow,
like,
4236. Well, I just now could have bought.
let's say.
Oh, you know, it's not even at for. My bad. It's a sell. Wait, why your one like quite slow to freaking refresh, yeah?
Yeah. Because on the training view right, the free plan right is the candle will refresh every 5 seconds.
Oh,
Like I said, I only use training view is to analyze, not to execute trade. So that's
yeah,
why.
good.
Yeah. So okay,
That's
so this I'm still in the same time frame 5 minutes
Mm.
This is what gold is like 4,000 pips, $400 lah. If you 0.05. So let's say 4,000 pips is okay, let's see you could have made
But remember, my lot size is only 0.05.
Okay, wait, let's ask my ChatGPT because sometimes I for pips right, I really don't really give a
Bro,
shit lah.
you know when I started like beginner time, right? I asked, you know what I do now? I asked ChatGPT, is it gonna be a sell or
Oh my
buy?
god, no, they won't tell you one. Even if they tell you, right, they cannot say anything also.
Yeah.
USD with a lot size of 0.05, how much would I earn? One pip is 0. Okay, so a lot is your lot size is 5 cents per pip. So it's actually $200 only, $200 US. So actually right, your goal right, okay, but of course because I using lot size of 10 lah, so obviously I would technically earn more than you even with your trading goal. So and now that because the difference
I using lot size quite lower.
yeah,
I cannot really.
okay, if you're using 0.05 right, you can easily use lot size 8, 9, 10 in S&P 500. And don't worry lah, okay, sometimes I also go through the same thing one. I'm gonna say when I say this right, it's exactly what you feel. Every time when you enter a trade right, when the candle just goes down a bit right, you like fucking damn you like damn scared already. You are damn scared. I know it's I know it's like that one. You cannot take the feeling of like straight away losing money after entering a trade, but you cannot think like that because
it doesn't really work like that.
yeah, but if you want to try to actually make money right, I suggest you can just follow what I do tomorrow. But this time we don't trade. We try not to trade gold first. We bring your account to at least $300. How much do you start with?
I started with $5, bro.
Huh? You started with $5. You deposit $5 only.
No, I deposit was 40.
Okay lah.
I lost all the way until 5.
Okay, so basically you started with $40 and now you're at 190, which is good. You literally gain like like 400%
One-
already. But
Yeah.
now, right, let's try to scale that to $300 within these 2 days, which is tomorrow and Friday.
Bro, it's very doable, bro.
Yeah, it's very doable. But if you lose,
Just 110.
yeah, 110. So we just try to aim for $60 per trade. Okay, but
Yeah.
$60 is still quite a lot when it comes to even in
$60 there, that's quite a lot.
yeah, it's still a lot even in the S&P 500 when it's technically
You know,
still weaker than gold.
until now, right? The most I've made in one trade. Wait, let me check for you. You know?
I think I saw
check.
it was like 150 something. You showed me before, I think.
Nope. The highest I've gained in a trade was 55.
Oh, so one trade lah.
Yeah, one trade.
Okay.
But I do like a lot of small trades. I used to, bro, I started with 0.01, you know?
Damn.
It's like $2 profit for like,
Yeah, it's very
Wait.
small, very small.
one pip is like,
Okay,
what's the,
so,
like,
so one,
the-
okay, so for gold, right, 0.01 is
Mhm.
basically 1 cent per pip. So, okay, I show you, okay, you look at my screen now,
Hmm,
Okay, you see this behind number here, 0.60?
yeah.
So, okay, now is 0.59, right? So it literally just went down by 51 pips. So one pip
Oh, I
is the
see, I
last
see.
decimal here. So you can imagine, right, just from here to, like example, like, okay, 419, 4.56, right? All the way up to 4236. That is like, how much? That is like 8,000 pips, bro. 8,000 eh. You could literally make $400 from by the way, from a 0.01 lot size.
Mm.
It's legit damn crazy one. But don't care already lah.
It
Doesn't matter
lose
now.
also easy also.
Yeah, you lose also is the same. You lose is the same.
Bro.
Yeah, but okay, now what I would suggest you is to just don't think about it now, just like just tell yourself that okay, at least you didn't lose today. Okay, then just
Yeah,
we move on for tomorrow. Then I will tell you like what to do lah. Okay, because tomorrow still very early before the New York session start.
bro.
Okay, then I'll call you tomorrow lah. I'll call you tomorrow. Then we'll talk about it.
Sure.
Alright, bye.
Bye, nigga.
Still live streaming by the way.
Oh, damn.
Okay, bye.